Hi guys, I'm back with one more video today. In today's video, I want to answer few questions you are asking. I get a lot of calls, a lot of WhatsApp messages, a lot of comments in YouTube, and many of them are asking me, many of you guys in fact are asking me, Saurabh, why don't you start a training in real estate? I get this quite often, and I was thinking of doing it for quite a long time. So before I talk about the real estate training, many of you know, I guess, I'm assuming you know, that my basic profession itself, I'm a trainer, I'm a coach, I'm a public speaking coach, confidence building coach. I'm a corporate trainer for big corporates. And that's my basic profession. I teach people how to be confident, how to be a good speaker and all of that. That's what I do for a living. And real estate is something I started recently. And I've gained a lot of knowledge over a period of time by interviewing a lot of experts, moving around with them, exploring physically. So, and collaborating with experts is what I say has helped me to gain a lot of knowledge in real estate in a very small period of time. So many people, they keep asking me, Saurabh, I'm an IT professional. I want to get into real estate part-time. I want to become a real estate agent, or I want to work as a channel partner. A lot of people keep asking me. And I never had that thought of personally doing it, honestly speaking. The reason I started this channel was when I was investing my money in real estate, I didn't get right information. There were hardly few channels who were giving you exact information on how to invest, where to invest, and I had to struggle a lot. And no one was collaborating with the experts and getting their opinion as well. So I thought, why shouldn't I do it? Since as a public speaking coach, as a trainer, why shouldn't I take the initiative and start creating good content? And that's how this channel started. And eventually a lot of people started reaching out to me from US, from UK, from Dubai, from Australia, from India, across India. People started saying, Saurabh, why don't you help us in buying a plot? Why don't you help us in buying an apartment? So slowly I started collaborating with corporates and companies and builders and realtors and developers. And slowly I started connecting people who are asking for investments with companies. And slowly in that process, I started this real estate business as well, to be very honest with you, from last few months. Now in this process, a lot of people, they connect with me, say, Saurabh, I'm a channel partner, I want to work with you. Saurabh, I want to learn about real estate. So I never had an opportunity for them. But today I thought, being a coach, being a trainer personally, why don't I start a real estate training? So with that intention, with that clarity, with that vision, with that intention to help the people who are looking to start business in real estate, as a channel partner, I'm coming up with a platform, I'm coming up with a training program. So this is just a thought, and I want your validation, I want your inputs in this. So if you are a working professional, because this is not for everyone, I want real estate to become very professional, and it should become a white collar job. It should become very easy to deal with channel partners. That's my intention. So with that intention, I am planning to start a training classes for real estate for Hyderabad. And it will be a 1-week program, 7 to 10 days program. We are discussing on that still, majorly on 5 topics. First one will be about HMDA master plan. Second one will be about the plots, how to find a plot, where to find a plot. Third one would be about apartments and villas. Fourth one will be about marketing, how to generate leads, and fifth one will be about sales. So these are the 5 topics we are planning to conduct this training program on. And this won't be just me delivering the content. You will have experts from various spheres of life, experts from apartments, experts from plots. You will have developers, you will have builders, and we will have some guest sessions from successful people in this particular program. So it will be 7 to 10 days of program. If you are someone who wants to learn about real estate, who is passionate about real estate, who wants to learn more about his city, and also want a secondary income apart from whatever job you're doing in real estate, you are welcome. Okay, so we will help you, we will teach you, we will guide you how to do real estate business in an ethical and professional way. So that's the intention. And this training program will start soon. The dates will announce maybe next 1 week. But if you're interested, if you feel that, okay, this is the right course for you, if you feel Saurabh can help you, if you feel Saurabh can bring right experts in one platform and train you in real estate of Hyderabad, you can definitely fill the form which I'm going to give you. So it won't be a free session for sure, because when it is free, people are not so serious about the training. So it will be a paid training for sure. The intention is not to earn money from this training, but the intention is to give you the value. And it is a collaborative session, so whatever we charge for the training will be shared among all the people who are delivering the content, because we cannot call them for free, isn't it? So it will be a paid session. It will be 7 to 10 days session. It will be mix of practical and theory. For example, we teach you about plots today, and tomorrow we'll take you to plots physically and make you explore the plots. If I teach you about HMDA master plan now, I'll send you to a plot and ask you to check the survey number then and there and tell me which zone it is in. So it will be a practical training. We will help you to practically learn about marketing, practically learn about sales. So it will be a mix of my expertise as a trainer in public speaking, plus my expertise in terms of real estate, which I've gathered over a period of time. If you're serious and passionate about real estate business, this is a nice opportunity for you. Fill the form. My team will get in touch with you. They'll give you more information further. And probably we are planning to start this post Diwali in the second week of November. So you will love to be a part of this session, and we have limited seats. We are not going to take 100-150 people. Okay, we will have limited around 20 seats for this particular session, for the first session, and slowly let's see how it goes. And the intention is, once we teach you the real estate business, even we will guide you and help you how you can earn money in an ethical and professional way from real estate as well. Yeah. So if you are passionate, you can fill the form. Someone from my team will reach out to you and they'll guide you further. I hope you like this video. Share this video with your friends and family who are interested to start working in real estate. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care.